Hello everyone, what is up? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we can talk about what is happening with XRP, the XRP community, and CoinMarketCap. XRP is at around 85 cents. We are slightly in the red today. I mean, we're kind of being stable right now, but today we have a lot of news. I might have to make another video today for this channel. Even though in quotes we haven't technically mooned, there has been a lot of news on the news side of things, guys. But now, guys, before we jump into the financial advice, financial advice, just simple value only. Pampa Suido, the IMF is not happy about El Salvador's decision to make Bitcoin legal tender. Interesting. If we go down here from Easy XRP, what do we see here, guys?
IMF. Do you see IMF holding crypto assets in the future? I did not put that up there.
Remember, I'm from the legal department. I'm supposed to be very conservative about these things. I don't want to go into great details about
Maybe
the IMF.
I should take what the IMF is going to do. I think we stunned Ross into silence with that one.
For that to happen, okay, under the current legal framework, some country would have to use a crypto asset as its currency.
Interesting. I mean, again, there has been so much news recently. It's been pretty crazy, guys. This here comes from Bloomberg TV.
Let's start with the digital currencies that are going up and down every day a lot. You started the hearing with some pretty harsh words for them, saying they failed to deliver on some of the promises of a more inclusive financial system. They're volatile. They're not good for spending. In your view, do they need to be regulated further? And is there something specific in mind that you have that would sort of bring this area under control better?
So this was our first hearing on digital currencies, and we had a chance to talk with experts, bring in a lot of senators around it. But the bottom line was that what's happening right now in cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, it's a wild west out there. And it makes it not a good way to buy and sell things, and not a good investment, and an environmental disaster. So do we need some regulation around this? You bet we do.
Pretty simple, pretty clear, guys. Again, remember, it's the wild, wild west. You guys better be careful. Now, guys, there's a fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. Alonzo Suido, what do we see here? Mr. Pool Drop, a lot of moons. We can see. I mean, what do you guys think he means by that? Are we going to the moon soon? But if it goes to next year from Ian Northing, I'm pretty sure it's correlated to this right here, guys. Not to be missed events in June. We can see the different eclipses as well. Now, the summer solstice is a really interesting date, guys. We're not mentioning moon. We're just saying it's more significant because the light appears. Mr. Get It Back Sweet, I'm watching a movie on Netflix called Awake. It's about us getting hit by a solar flare and going dark for 10 days. Pretty scary. Again, we know what's taking place. Remember, subliminal programming and messaging. It's happening with these movies. If you go to WT Suite, just finish watching it. Solar flares could have caused global power cuts. Again, June 28th released. Guys, we cannot make this up. If you go to XRP's Our Future Suite, the solar flare event. The world as we know is one big movie. They always give you hints along the way. Do you think this is a coincidence? New Netflix show Awake. 10 days of darkness, as you guys can see right here. So it's pretty crazy, guys. Again, subliminal. Valdresser straight out. I said the timing of blackouts will be the same time as Bitcoin's death, XRP's rise, and the market collapse. Sure, it hasn't happened yet, but since I said these specifics a year ago, check the narratives. It's absolutely believable now. I didn't copy anyone. Again, guys, we know. So look out for events. If you guys, if the dates are not your cup of tea, look out for these events because it looks like everything will happen all at once, like a whirlwind. Again, from Val Jesser, we go here all the way back then, guys, from 2020. Bitcoin will be brought before the burning altar to be a sacrifice for XRP. In the ashes of Bitcoin, XRP will rise from it. Guys, again, which explains the glitches to me. Trading places. It's really simple. It's really easy. We know what's going to take place. Reborn in Suido, June 10th. Today, a lot has happened, as I've been saying, so I might have to make another video today on this channel. Swiss National Bank, check. Banque de France, check. BIS, check. Are you watching closely? There are no coincidences. Narrative is set. Again, guys, there has been literally so much narratives going around. Stephanie Sweetout, Sunshine, meeting delayed again. Come on, stop that. What do we see here? Come on, guys. We can't make this up. It's been delayed. How many times now? Guys, it's hilarious at this point in time. Freya Sweetout, no more Truman. Again, from Reborn. So guys, I mean, now what does this all mean? You guys remember, everything is a show. Everything is an illusion. That's how the new world is beginning, guys. 1111 XRP Sweetout. 1230 123 is 630 mirror or 612, as you guys can see. Now, again, we're not stating moon, guys. It's just more significant dates as you go down here. Brock 92 Sweetout. Nothing happens until the timeline ends. As you guys can see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 equal June. This date also falls within January 20 to 25th dates. Now remember, the dates are switched around. It does look like moon should be this month, guys. Taurus Luna 2 Sweetout. Follow the loop. What do we see here from Mr. Poole if we go down here? From Arclex tweet. Next year comes from Benjamin Ball. XRP 28th of June, $1,000. I mean, at this point in time, guys, I personally am not calling for moon dates, but the one date I have called is June 21st. Why? Because of summer solstice. The light is beginning to shine, guys. But June 28th, look out for that date. Cryptomaniac has tweeted out, US hit with another major coin shortage. Numerous merchants are now forced to accept credit card payments only. Again, we know what's going to take place. Shut down the networks, guys, so everything goes digital. Alter Vigo tweeted out, G7, 77. 7 is a magical number. Lagarde, Christine Lagarde, Hebrew word for luck. 77. Now that's interesting because Christine Lagarde loves these numbers, guys. To Savage to tweet out, all year I've shown you that the elites use the number 93, energy frequency for destruction. Number 43 is connected to number 93. D equal 4, C equal 3. Now think about the things you see with those initials in the world news. P.S. Bitcoin's death cross is coming. It's crazy, guys. Now, will we see a pending crash up on the horizon? We'll wait and see. This close to CBS, now FBI director, cyber threat is increasing almost exponentially. Guys, come on. What? It's hilarious because we know what's going to take place with these cyber attacks. They're going to blame it on the cyber attacks when the blackouts take place. This thing will happen in 1 to 4 days, overnight. We are on LDN. Let's get it. Now, are we, guys? Will it? Hopefully, we see moon sooner than later, because it feels like it's never going to moon, but one day it will, guys. Follow CUS tweetout. London is ready, as we can see right here. London is ready. Seems like it, guys. Arclex is tweet out this right here. You guys already know. Gold is coming back. Again, for Follow CO, XRP is not about selfish greed. It's all about shaping the new world. The selection process is a grueling trial. It's not for everybody. The future will be shaped by the holders of XRP. Why? Riddlers or riddles? To separate gold from mud. It's that simple, guys. There's a reason why there's riddlers in this community only. Think about that. The penalty for today's video comes from Baba Cox. He knows, as we can see right here. From JC Collins. Liquidity crypto holdings and move everything into two XRPL assets, XRP and CSC. With regulations coming and proof of work crackdown imminent, I feel this is the best path to ride the rest of this bull market and coming regulation storm. Most will go to zero. Now, financial advice. Again, some of us know what's going to take place because 99% goes to zero, which I might have to make another video today because there has been so much news. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, feel free to be on my channel. So you guys, hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. And you guys, See ya.